Looked terrible yesterday, but I made whatever, about $7 on 3,500 shares. I kind of just took a flyer, bought some Moderna on the close. I actually had 2,000 shares. I blew out 1,000. I made about $4,000 on that. And then I got some left over. And I'll probably just put some limit to get out on the first, push this morning. I got 1,500 Netflix in this account and 2,000 in another. And I'm going to probably put a limit around, I don't know, 610, 611. Just take a little trade out of that. And then I got these puts that, I'm going to see how long I can hold them for. I have 250 Beyond Meat puts, 100s. I have 2,000 Netflix and I have 1,500 Roku. And I'm going to look to bounce out of both of those on a bit of a rally here. So just let me kind of put some upside limits to get out of those positions. Okay, so that's done. That's taken care of. Yeah, so I didn't put anything out yesterday on the Elite. I couldn't really see any FX trades or anything that kind of gave me a risk reward calculation. Everything's kind of in the middle. It's going to do what it's going to do. If I can get Beyond Meat into a rally.
Tushar said, "Hey Mark, thanks for all the advice. Made a great 574% on Moderna short." Sweet.
Yeah, I made $250,000 in about 30 minutes on that on Friday. Came in short 5,000 shares. It was down $50. And now I'm kind of just, dipping in the water. I bought some for a bounce. So I just got a standing order at 103.20 in the day session on BYND to sell short. Tesla, Netflix, it's hard. I don't know, this market, look, I think you're going to get a rotation out of growth. You had this key reversal up here, but you still have these lower highs. So what I look for when, I think there may be a reversal is I look for the market to start confirming, whether it's a reversal or whether it's just a continuing consolidation. So on the surface, we had a, key reversal, but you can't treat all reversals the same. So you're still very much in an uptrend. You're in the middle of this channel. You could still kind of bounce around here one way or another. So I kind of look at okay, how do prices behave? Do they start really coming off here, or does it kind of go down and then hook up and we keep kind of sticking around this, the more it just kind of plays around this area without really coming off, the more it's likely that it's setting the stage for another run higher. So, this is pretty negative to see that. That's what happened in Netflix yesterday. So we could open higher, and if we open higher and then start coming off, and look like this by, today, then it's going to look pretty negative. So it's all about how does it digest this area? Is it just kind of a consolidation where prices really don't do much and they still stay in the zone? Or, do you kind of start seeing something like this where it looks like it's a rejection area? So, I just put a structure, a boundary around prices, and then I kind of see where the market, and this is why I think, and this is, I know myself, this is where I'm apt to lose money because we're kind of in the middle of a lot of things. But I still think that, it's a distraction. This rally is a distraction. I would like to see it, rally even harder. But I still think that, the market is kind of inherently weak. $101 in Beyond Meat. So that 102 bid was, now we're leaking, go back. So let me see, what is Netflix? So the high is 609.87. I've got a 611 to get out of 3,500 shares. So let's see if they don't kill it before I get filled. Moderna's up 8 or 9. Tesla is only up 3. So, all right. So it's 611.70. I should have got, yep, I'm done on 30. So I bought 3,500 shares right into that sell-off. You know, it looked terrible yesterday, but I made whatever, about $7 on 3,500 shares. Let me just make sure they're filled. Gone. Wait a minute, they filled me on those puts in Beyond Meat. They filled me on 4. I put 150. They gave me 4 at 270.
Puts, eh?
Huh?
4 puts.
I don't know how they did that because it dropped right on the opening. I'll take it. So you can see, yeah, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So popped out a profit for 118,000 there. So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts. I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.